Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the answers to the prelims of Bharat Ko Jano. So, without wasting any time, let's move on to the questions. So, question number 1: which element of the periodic table has been named after Belur, a town in Karnataka? The element is beryllium. Question number 2: according to Hindu mythology, which divine chariot was gifted to Arjuna by god Agni? So the answer is Kapidwaja. So question number 3: he developed powerful new methods in the geometry of numbers, which he applied to count rings of small rank and to bind the average rank of elliptic curves. He was named as the inaugural occupant of the distinguished chair for the public dissemination of mathematics at the National Museum of Mathematics. Identify him. So he is Manjul Bhargava. So the fourth question: what is the only movie where Rabindranath Tagore is credited as a director? And the name of the movie is Nitir Puja. So moving on to the next question. This temple is also called the Temple of Rats because of thousands of black rats that live and revered in the temple. They are regarded as Holy Spirit and called Kabbas. Name the temple. So the temple is Karni Mata Temple. So next question. In 1880, by a team led by an Italian engineer, Chevalier Roberto Paganini, who worked for the Assam Railways and Trading Company Limited, constructed a river bridge in a mineral-rich town of northeast India. As a lasting tribute to that Italian engineer, or Paganini himself, out of patriotism, christened the town in honor of the reigning queen consort of Italy. What is the name of the town? So the town is Margherita. So next question. The value of pi was first calculated by the Indian mathematician X. X also discovered the Pythagorean theorem in the 6th century, long before the European mathematicians. He was also the first mathematician to accurately calculate the value of root 2. Identify X. So he is Budhayana. Question 8. The Pacific Coast Hindustan Association was formed in 1930 with a significant number of its leaders from the University of California at Berkeley. By which other name did this organization become better known? So it became better known as Ghadar Party. So identify the painter from her self-portrait. So the painter is Amrita Shergill. So moving on to the next question. Subhash Chandra Bose had hoisted the Indian flag at Port Blair on 30th December 1943 and proclaimed the Andaman and Nicobar Islands as territories liberated from British rule. He had subsequently named Andaman Island as X and Nicobar Island as Y. Identify X and Y. So X is Shahid and Y is Swaraj. So the next question. What was the name of the company Mahindra & Mahindra when it was established on 2nd October 1945 in Ludhiana? So the name of the company was Mahindra & Muhammad. It was before the independence of India. Next question. A traditional ledger is used by an Indian businessman, often in a red cloth wrapped bag. In 2019, Indian Finance Minister used the same for carrying the budget, putting an end to the colonial Gladstone bag tradition. What is the name of this ledger? So this is Bahi Khata. So next question. The book Exam Warriors is a collection of 25 exam tips for the students sitting in exam. It comprises of the ways to deal with the stress and manage the time for thorough preparation for the exams. Who is the author of the book? So he is none other than the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. Which capital city situated in the northeastern India derives its name from the local wildflower Kewhee that is grown on the hillsides of this city? The city is Kohima. Next question. Located within the Lahore fort, this monument was built in 1633 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. It was named so because an exorbitant amount of 9 lakh rupees was spent in its construction. Name the monument. So it is the Naulakhak Pavilion. So next question. Name the company which is the world's largest producer of vaccines by the number of doses produced. So the company is Serum Institute of India. So moving on to the next question. The Sanskrit version of what resource is subtitled as Swatantra Vishwa Vigyan Kosaha? And this is Wikipedia. So the next question. Subhas Mukhopadhyay was a physician from Kolkata, India, who created eggs. Unfortunately, Subhas Mukhopadhyay was not given due recognition nor allowed to share his achievements with the international scientific community and faced social harassment. Rejected, he committed suicide on 19 June 1981. His life and death has been the subject of countless newspapers reviews and inspired the Hindi movie Ek Doctor Ki Maut, Death of a Doctor. What is eggs? So he created in vitro fertilization. The first test tube baby of India was born due to his effort. The penultimate question. In the very first Nehru cabinet, there was only one woman who also represented the Christian community. Who was she? So she was none other than Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. So the last question of the prelims. Bachpan Bachao Andolan, Safe Childhood Movement, is an India-based movement campaigning for the rights of children. It was started in 1980, focusing on ending bonded labor, child labor and human trafficking, as well as demanding the right to education for all children. So who is the founder of BBA? So he is the Nobel Peace Prize winner Kailash Satyarthi. So thank you everyone for joining. Please stay tuned and the results will be out very soon. Thank you.